And the ultimate goal is to make the earth look very small. To present the people of the world with an external threat to this earth, a superior race from some other planet, vastly.
My proposal is that something rotates in the UFO.
Lovers hold on to everything.
One could point this centrifugal
Lovers hold on
accelerations
to everything.
are easily realizable.
And lovers hold on to anything.
One of these aspects
To anything. 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 You're just too good.
cooler to superconducting. That's all there is in the tuning to operate in the foreground doesn't need something else to or the with
stereophonic records can virtually duplicate the sound of a symphony orchestra.
Sorry, I've left my card at home.
That's all
Will you
there
lace as well? Will you lace as well? Will you lace as well?
is. The foregoing doesn't mean
3 times on the run. 3 times on the run. 3 times on the run.
he is together. Such that two parallel wires with current flowing through them in the same direction are attracted to each other. We might envision the magnetic field of a current-carrying wire as a kind of directional pressure as shown. Where the arrows cancel, there is no pressure, so the wires are pushed together. When the currents are opposed, the pressure between is higher and the wires are repelled. A charged particle moving in a uniform magnetic field is similarly deflected at right angles to its direction of motion. It moves in the direction where the arrows cancel, that is, the low magnetic pressure. The opposite charge will behave in the opposite way in the same magnetic field, since the magnetic field it generates is opposite. If a neutral particle disintegrates into positive and negative daughter particles, one will rotate clockwise and the other counterclockwise in the same magnetic field. They come to rest by giving up energy to whatever they interact with. Note here that as the particle rotates in the magnetic field, it produces its own magnetic field with a north and south pole as shown. If the rotation occurs in the middle of the external field, there will be no net motion up or down. However, if the particle is moving nearer one pole than the other, there will be a net up or down movement in the motion of the particle. Instead of a flat spiral, it will display a corkscrew shape. It is this property that I wish to take advantage of to rotate the centrifugal vector of a neutral particle out of the plane of rotation. Because a neutral particle is not affected by a magnetic field, I propose to mechanically rotate it in a magnetic field, closer to one pole of the magnetic field. Neutrons are then forced to pass their centrifugal vectors through a magnetic field, which is stronger in one direction, up or down. Now, by present theory, nothing unusual should occur, so at this point I must speculate that the neutron will be, by virtue of its centrifugal vector, in a state of pre-disintegration into a proton-electron pair. It's not going to actually disintegrate, but rather stay in a constant state of partial disintegration, wherein the inside of the centrifugal force becomes a partial positive charge, and the outside a partial negative charge. If the foregoing speculation is true, by the standard model, one charge should be pushed away from the